Yeah, I am on the beach. Yay, yay, yay. Oh boy, Jamaica nice.
Jam from family, the Jam from family, yeah. Jam fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there, yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So this week we're going to share with you one of our activities that we managed to do the other day. So we decided that we were going to go to the beach. Yeah. As it is now that our schedule of things that we need to sort out are reducing, we're able to have a little bit more time on our hands where we can do some more of the recreational things that we want to do and enjoy Jamaica and discover places that we've not been and just have a good time whilst living here. You know, part of living is also to be able to enjoy your life that whilst you're living it and not just having to be moving in a robotic fashion. So where it's just about work, and in order to work round the clock, acquire the monies that you need, you get burnt out, paycheck to paycheck living and all of those things. So sometimes we just have to prioritize those things that are necessary, which is that recreation and social experience that we need just to be able to keep our minds healthy and thriving and being balanced in our whole being. So one of the things that we decided that we were going to do was we were going to go out with my friend and her children and our family. So her family, our family, moms and the children. We've decided that we were going to go out and together just to go and have some relaxation. We're both returning from the UK, and so it's a good opportunity for our children to just spend some time together as well. And so we decided that we were going to go to Black River. So I'm going to show you some of the footage, the nice scenic views as we're going along the path going there, showing you some of the other things that happens along the way.
No, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, it's very British.
In what sense?
It's like how British houses would be. But that's what. Is that Las Vegas? Yes.
Try not to pass it again. You remember where you're stopping? Okay then.
So I'm taking my time so they can pass me. So the lagoon is right here. So the cottages are behind us, the cabin ones. But the lagoon so they're on this side, so you get all the sea, the lagoon, the lake. That's how you get the lake. The sea's on one side, the lake's on the other.
Oh.
Yeah. So imagine you built here, let me look at the lake.
Yeah, I am on the beach. Yay, yay, yay. So this is the equivalence of Negril long stretch. This is a long stretch of beach, all the way from up that end as far as you can see.
That's Black River, girl. Black River.
And it comes all, see the person who is talking.
Hey guys, welcome to Jamaica. You have to come down here. Make sure you click like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss our content.
Yeah, so all this way, all the way back over as far as you can see over there. It's a lovely stretch of beach. And we're at Lola's on the beach at the moment, but there are some other places along here. Nice feeling of the water as it slaps up against the shore. Ah boy, Jamaica nice. And whilst I'm on the beach, I thought I'd get some soup in, some chicken soup. It's nice and warm. So we can do all of this. It's a nice spot. So of course the sun at this section, it's not white sandy. It's a brownish sand, but it feels just the same as the white sandy. And this is Black River. So today we're in Black River. And people who know the South Coast already know, but once I do a 360, there are so many features that tells them, yep, we're on the South Coast. And where we're standing now, just over the way from there on the other side of the road, a little bit down that end on the other side of the road is the Black River Safari as well. And we're not doing that today. We'll do that another day, but it's just over there as well. So we're in an amazing stretch of Black River at the moment. And I'm going to go back to our party.
When is the children's party? June. It's 2 months away.
Yeah, so food time. It was the end of June. We're not in April yet.
We're in April.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is April. So
April is 3 months.
April, May. We're not really
It's the end of June.
Alright, so in terms of structure, what would you need?
We're not sure yet. We're just
No man, I'm just thinking like, how else we can. Cause
if I wanted to take this place, I just need it cleaned up and tidied up. And like this, that I would need.
that's something.
First town to get electricity in this part of the Western Hemisphere. Southern.
I thought we were Western.
I thought we were Western. So
we are Western.
Are we not Western?
We're Western.
Okay, I don't know. My history.
Yeah, Black River at the coast. This is
South of the country.
Yes. No,
yeah,
the country. Now we talk about in New York and stuff. That's what it is.
in New York.
Where the first, even before even New York, we got electricity before New York. So I was thinking about that region more than anything else. So yes. This is the Waterloo, the first guest house in Black River or Jamaica or something like that. I can't believe it. The Waterloo is very important. run down at the moment, but very important place. This is the Black River Parish House and Black River Court. That detail over there?
It's around the back.
Right here, yes.
Right there, right at the back.
National Works. Around here though, Kenya, are a lot of apartments. Oh, the library, I've never seen it before. First time. Over here, I was thinking we could rent the school for like accommodation and stuff. Okay.
Hi, baby, I just passed the library.
I know where to turn.
She said she got it.
I think. Yes. Exchange them. And the Black River Hospital. Black River is actually a place where there's a ship log to England for die.
This is where they say what Newton is.
Yes. Where my exchange is here, so here, so here, so I think it's right here. Yep, it's right on here. Exchange Drive in Black River. You know, you can't close the country. You know, get it from the country now. Bush or plum, hot plum. Oh my god, anybody love hot plum like me?
I like plums. Any
Up
plum.
there, so,
Every
oh my
plum.
god, hot plum. They're not ready though, and a lot.
He's never had it.
Yes, we have the one that have a football in Jerusalem.
But they have any of them.
Oh, did you not hear that? The plum's gonna come out soon.
The hot plum are a dark one. They're small and dark.
The red and yellow.
Oh, then I don't know what plum it was. There's a plum they sell at the food store across the river.
And it's such an amazing thing that where we went, there is such a long stretch of sandy beach right there on the coast. I mean, it's not as developed as Negril. It has places along there where some of the strip is owned by residents. So there are residential lots that backs onto the sea coast, and others there are people who own lot and they've set up some businesses and like restaurants and other chill spots that you can go that backs onto the beach and have their little piece of haven right there. And so we went out to try and just, you know, have some fun, a little bit of a fun time in the sand and on the beach. As it is in Jamaican fine style, I have a dilemma that I had to deal with. And in my situation, the dilemma was deciding, do I have jackfruit or do I have mango? Because both of them are in season at the moment and I like both things. And so I had to decide that. So have a look to see what did I decide to do in the end and how did I actually resolve that issue. So the mango girl did her thing again. She sent me some mangoes. I'm going to try and tuck into those shortly. And my father visited and he knows my taste buds when it comes to jackfruit. And so he brought me some jackfruit. I already ate a piece and I'm going to decide now what to eat next. And guess what I kept? I kept the seeds, yes, because after this I'm going to boil the seeds. Once I've eaten everything, I'm collecting the seeds. I'm going to boil them and have that now as a meal as well. So right now I'm trying to decipher, what do I eat? Do I eat a piece of jackfruit or do I eat some mangoes? That's the question right now. That is my question to be answered. Hey! I could not decide which one to eat, and I wanted to just get over that dilemma, so I just made the decision that I'm going to eat a piece of jackfruit and one of the mangoes, and problem solved. So let me go sit and enjoy. It's always great to get the opportunity to spend time with friends and share company and just to explore and discover new places and make new experiences and together. And so it was quite an exciting time going on this adventure, and we're looking forward to many more adventures as we continue our life here in Jamaica. Thank you again for coming and spending this time with us. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next one.